everyone. Today I want to talk about one of the most emotional romantic drama movies, My Oxford Year 2025. This movie is directed by Len Morris and tells the story of Anna de la Vega, an ambitious young woman from America who finally gets the chance to study at Oxford University in England. For Anna, studying at Oxford is her biggest dream because she has worked hard her whole life to achieve it. When she arrives in England, she plans to focus only on her studies and her future career. Everything seems to be going according to her plan, but then she meets Jamie Davenport. Jamie is kind, funny, intelligent, and very charming. At first, they meet by chance, then they become friends, and slowly they fall in love. Jamie introduces Anna to a different way of enjoying life. Instead of always thinking about the future, he encouraged her to appreciate every moment. As their relationship grows, Anna discovers something heartbreaking. Jamie has terminal cancer. He has been receiving chemotherapy, but he keeps it a secret because he doesn't want people to pity him. He wants to spend the rest of his life creating beautiful memories with the people he loves. For me, this is the turning point of the movie because it completely changed Anna's life. She realized that life cannot always be planned. Sometimes unexpected things happen and we simply have to accept them. Talking about the characters, Anna is a very ambitious and hardworking woman at the beginning of the movie. She believes that success comes from careful planning and hard work. However, after spending time with Jamie, she slowly changes. She becomes more open, more emotional, and learns to enjoy the present instead of worrying too much about the future. Jamie is also a very inspiring character. While he is seriously ill, he never lets his illness control his life. He enjoys simple moments like walking around Oxford, visiting beautiful places, having dinner, laughing with Anna, and spending time with his family. I really like Jamie's character because he reminds us that happiness is not about how long we live, but about making every moment meaningful. Another interesting part of this movie is the British culture. Since most of the story takes place at Oxford University, we can see many traditional British activities such as rowing competition, formal university celebration, elegant college buildings, and formal dance. The movie also shows how important family traditions are in British culture. Anna meets Jamie's parents during one of the formal events, and this helps her understand a different culture from her own. Besides romance, The movie also discusses several important social issues. The first one is terminal illness. Jamie's cancer affects not only himself but also everyone around him, his family, his friends, and especially Anna, all experience sadness, fear, and uncertainty. The movie saw that a serious illness can change many people's lives, not only the patient's. Another social issue is family conflict. Jamie's illness creates emotional tension between him and his father. They have different opinions about how Jamie should live the rest of his life. In the end, Jamie's condition becomes much worse. He is taken to the hospital after developing critical pneumonia. His family and Anna stay by his side, hoping that he will recover. Unfortunately, Jamie eventually passes away. Although the ending is very sad, I think it is also beautiful. Jamie may no longer be alive, but his love and the lessons he gave to Anna continue to stay with her. Because of Jamie, Anna becomes a completely different person. She no longer lives only for her career or for perfect plans. Instead, she learns to enjoy every moment, value the people around her, and appreciate life more deeply. One scene that I really like is when Anna continues her life while remembering Jamie. It shows that even after losing someone we love, we can still carry their memories and let them inspire us to become better people. Personally, I think the movie has a very meaningful message. Sometimes we spend so much time worrying about the future that we forget to enjoy today. Jamie reminds us that life is short and unpredictable, so we should make time for our family, our friends, and the people we love. I also like how the movie balances romance with important life lessons. It is not only about two people falling in love, but also about accepting loss, facing difficult situations, and finding the strength to move forward. Another reason why I enjoy this movie is because of the beautiful setting. Oxford University looks amazing throughout the film. The old buildings, libraries, streets, and gardens make every scene feel warm and memorable. The music also matches the emotional moments very well, making the story even more touching. The acting is another strong point. Sophia Carson, who plays Anna, successfully saw how Anna changed from an ambitious student into someone who understands the true meaning of life. Corey Milcrease, who plays Jamie, also gives a wonderful performance. He makes Jamie feel warm, funny, and inspiring even while dealing with a serious illness. Overall, I think my Oxford Year is much more than just a romantic movie. It tells us about love, family, friendship, personal growth, and accepting the reality that life is unpredictable. The ending is emotional, but it also leaves us with an important message. We should appreciate the people we love, live in the present, and never take our time with others for granted. If I had to rate this movie, I would give it 9 out of 10. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who enjoys emotional romantic dramas with meaningful life lessons. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.